Welcome again to Project with Warren. You've heard me before talk about how we might connect wires together, and the industry standard is probably Wago, and I'm going to show you a Wago lookalike in a moment. The other traditional way is to use these screw connectors. You can have medium, small, larger, and so on. But on the internet, via Amazon, I came across this little neat box for £9, and it's got God knows how many. And you've got 5s, 3s, 2s, and so on. And the way these work is you simply put your cable, strip back cable, in and give it a firm push, and it's locked in there. And if you want to take it out again, you lift the lever and out it comes. And so it's quick and easy to use. You can even open the lever to start with and close the lever on it and lock it in. And the advantage of that is that you can interconnect 5 cables in this particular one very quickly, very easily. Here's a version with two. Here's a version with 3. But what attracted me to this little box is you've got a lot for your money, and it was in a box. And if you need to be kept neat, which I do, look at that. Just the kind of thing to have in your toolbox. Thank you again for watching Budget with Brian. Don't forget we're on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. There's a link to where you can buy these from Amazon below. Don't forget, let's have your comments and, of course, subscribe.